Hey there. So this is the latest build. I didn't do a build video on this since it's very similar to the last bench I built. When I took the other bench up to my friend's camp, someone else saw it and they wanted one. So they asked me if I'd make one for them. So this is the first piece that I've actually sold. Woohoo! I really wasn't ready to start selling them yet, but she insisted she wanted one. So yeah, here we go. Now it's a real thing, I guess. Wish me luck.
So I know I said I didn't do a build video, but I do have a little bit here to share. As you can see, they starting off with some fairly big pieces here. These are 4 to 5 inch logs. These make up the sides and the top of the back of the bench. The equipment I have, as you've seen in other videos, struggles a little bit with these size logs. My tenon cutters don't really fit them well, so you'll see I have to cut them down a bit with my log shaping bit in my grinder before I can use the tenon cutters. But that works fine, and you end up with a nice big beefy bench, which I do like the look of that. So the steps are all the same. I'm not going to show them all, obviously, since this is just a short little video. But of course, there's the peeling of the logs and the sanding of the logs and the shaping of them, whatnot. Of course, sanding, as always, takes a lot of time. I'm getting faster at it as I figure out the best way to do it, but it still takes a while. These are the pieces cut for the sides. You can see the back pieces, these ones I'm pointing to here, are going to have tenons cut on top and bottom, and that's to allow that top piece to go in, which I really only ever do with the spindle backs. And then I'm just showing off the pairs, the match pairs for the rest of the sides. This is where I got the back piece from. That branch right there is the one that I end up climbing up and cutting and using for the back of the bench. It's hard to find just the right kind of curvy branch, but I found this great big dead tree with all kinds of branches on it. I'll probably go back to it at some point soon and get some more. As you can see, there's lots of them there, and they're nice and dry. That's about it. I've got a couple of pictures here. This first one is just as I got the framework done, basically. So the side piece, or the cross pieces are all in, and the back is just on there temporarily until I put the spindles in. And then this is after I put the spindles in and glued it all up, and the straps are there so I can pull it all together. I find the straps work the best, as you've seen in other videos. Doesn't end up marking the wood. And this is the finished bench. All right, well, I know that was quick, but I'm very excited. I want to share my first sale. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe.